Hello and welcome to my chemistry tutorial channel. Today I'll be showing you an example how to calculate the concentration, the number of moles, the volume and the mass of any given question where some of the variables are given and some are not. So the question that I'm trying to explain today is calculate the mass of a 2.45 mole per liter solution of calcium chloride solution with a volume of 32 liters. Now let's analyze the question in detail and see what values are given, what we know about the question, what values are given in the question, and what we need to calculate. First of all, the concentration is given as 2.45 mole per liter. The second value that is given or known is the volume, which is 32 liters. And now, some other information that is provided in the question is the element or the chemical that we are using is calcium chloride. Now, once calcium chloride is given, it's very important for us to know, just to keep it in the back of our head, the formula for calcium chloride. Now on the periodic table, calcium sits on group 2 with a overall +2 charge on calcium ion. And chlorine is located on group 7 with an overall chloride having a -1 charge. Since these two charges are not equal and opposite, they will not cancel. So the easier way to cancel them is to make them 0. The easiest way to make them 0 is to crisscross the charges down, the numbers only, we can leave the plus and minus on the top. So crossing the 1 below calcium, we never write down the ones, we assume 1 to always be present here because calcium is written once. And the 2 on top of calcium crosses down to chlorine over here. So the formula for calcium chloride is CaCl2. We know this, and since the number of moles is not given in the question, I'm writing the number of mole as an unknown. And the second thing that is not given, or what the question rather is asking, is to calculate the mass of calcium chloride. So there is actually 2 steps to solving this question. It's essentially very important for us to know the number of moles before we calculate the mass. So the number of moles is given from this formula. Calcium concentration is equal to number of moles divided by volume. So the number of moles, if I make the number of moles the subject of the formula, rearranging gives us this equation, new equation, which reads as number of moles is equal to concentration of the solution times its volume. So the concentration was given at 2.45, replacing concentration given in the question as 2.45 mole per liter, times the volume that was given as a 32 liters. So the liters and liters can be cancelled out. So the final answer would be given out as moles. So 2.45 times 32 gives me 78.4 moles. So successfully, the information given in this question we would be able to calculate the number of moles. So step 2, the step 2 of the solution of the steps 2 is going to actually solve this question at finding the mass. From the formula, number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So actually 2 unknowns are found out in this question. First one is number of moles and the second one is mass. So mass and moles are related to each other with this formula. Number of moles is equal to mass of the compound divided by its molar mass. So the number of moles we will use from the earlier step 1. We will replace it with the number of moles. Mass is what we are trying to find out, and molar mass we can actually find out since we know the formula for calcium chloride. So the molar mass for calcium chloride is calculated as such. The formula has 1 calcium, so it's 1 times the atomic mass of calcium is 40.08, 2 decimal points, gives me 40.08, and chlorine is twice. So 2 times the atomic value for chlorine, 2 times 35.45, again 2 decimal points, it gives me 70.90. Totaling it up gives me 110.98 grams per mole. So the molar mass for calcium chloride is 110.98 gram in 1 mole. So rearranging the formula, this formula, if we rearrange this formula, take mass on one of the sides, what we have to do is take the molar mass and multiply with the number of moles. So mass would be N times Mr. So rearranging the formula gives us mass equal to number of moles times the molar mass. So we know the molar mass, we don't know the mass from step and the number of moles from step 1. So the number of moles 78 is that one, 78.4, that's the number of moles, and MR value 110.98. We just calculated that. If you multiply the two, the final answer comes up to 8,700.832 grams. Now, this answer is correct. It is correct. But to conventionally write down a big number, a number essentially that goes above 1,000. Essentially in chemistry, a number that goes above 1,000, we usually divide it by 1,000. So if we divide 8,700.832 with 1,000, we end up with 8.7 kilograms. K in front stands for kilo. We got the answer in grams. Kilo means 1,000. Thank you.